Hello, Miss Blake. I received your question about problem 193, 195, and 197. I know they was about signed numbers, so I guessed it was section 4.1, page 335. In the future, if you could tell me the page number, that's way I'll be certain to talk to you about the correct problems. Okay, so let's just start with the first example here. 32 minus negative 42 minus 26. Okay, let's look at this part here, how to handle this. You have minus a negative 42. Okay, subtraction means to add the opposite. Or anytime you have two minuses like this, it'll come out to a plus. And so this will equal 32 plus 42 minus 26. So we just have addition, subtraction. We just want to go left to right here. So if I start over here to the left, 32 plus 42, that would be what, 74. And if I subtract 26, 74 minus 26, let's see, that would be what, 48. Okay, so that's the first problem, 193. Let's look at the next problem. It's a little more challenging, 195. You have a minus 15, or negative 15, minus a negative 4, minus 35, plus 10. Again, I'd like to take care of this minus a negative 4 first of all. That'll just become plus 4. So it's negative 15 plus 4 minus 35 plus 10. Okay, on this example, what I'll suggest is think in these problems in terms of money. If you have a minus, think about owing somebody money. If you have a positive, think about earning money. So we have negative 15 here. Interpret that as you owe somebody money. Okay, you owe somebody $15. Then let's say you earn $4. So we're just going to approach this from left to right. We'll take care of these two first. So if you owe somebody $15 and you earn $4, then you're going to still owe them $11. Now, if we continue left to right, if we combine these two numbers, we have minus a negative 11 minus 35. We take the negatives to mean owe. We owe somebody $11, then we already say additional 35. We're going to owe them another $35. So if you owe somebody 11 and then you owe them additional 35, you're going to owe that person a total of $46. And we have plus 10 for the last part here. If you owe somebody $46, the minus being O, and then this plus, we're assuming we earn $10. So you owe $46 and you earn $10, well, you're still going to owe them $36. So one way to do these problems is think in terms of money and minus being O. I know the book I think shows doing them with a number line. There's a lot of different ways to approach these problems. If we look at the last one, 146 minus a negative 532 minus 355 plus 200. Okay, here we have minus a negative 532. Okay, we have minus a negative, and as before, we want to make that a plus. So this will be 146 plus 532 minus 355 plus 200. Now we just want to add left to right. So we combine the first two numbers. They're just both positive. $146, you can think I earned $146. Then I earned another $532. How much money do I have? Well, you'd have what? $678. Okay, then I just copy down the rest of the problem. And if we look here, if you earn $678, or you have $678, and then you go out and spend $355, minus means you don't take away. What are you going to be left with if we combine these two numbers? Well, you're going to be left with $323. Then you have plus 200. So you just add these two numbers. It's $523. I hope this helps.